Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got at Dollar Tree today. I'm going to go ahead and start off right here. These are some facial cleansing brushes, which I thought were pretty awesome for only $1. I actually have one for myself that I got from Mary Kay, and it was $45. So, and it does the same thing, I'm assuming. It comes with 2 different speeds, a low and a high. This one's for my sister, this one's for my mom. We'll see how they like those. Also got this foot cream. It's in the grapefruit fragrance. Never tried this, first time. We'll see how that works as well. Also got some of these nail filers. These are the pretty thin one. There's quite a few of those in there. There's 12 pieces in here. I've personally never tried these before. I remember back in the day when I was younger, I used to play with these, but I don't remember how good they are. Also got a few packs of these glue-on nails. These are such a beautiful fall color, and as you can tell, I need them. So, got 2 of the same color, and then 1 pink one. So this is a medium size, the other ones are short. And then also got the Super Bond glue that goes with it. And then moving on, I got a set of planner stickers, which I thought were super nice. And I'm doing a DIY soon, you guys, so stay tuned for that. But essentially, these are some of the things that I need for that DIY project. I have some more items that I need for the DIY at home that I purchased at a different time. So stay tuned for a video on that. And then moving on, I also got a pack of treat bags. We're going to be having a Halloween party soon, so we got a lot of stuff for the Halloween party, and this is one of them. I'll show you guys the rest in a little bit. I also got some pork rinds. I never had these. These are the salt and vinegar ones, but we'll see how they are. And then a pack of Kleenex. Nothing too exciting. I also got a pack of nuts and seeds, peanuts, sunflower kernels, pepitas, and almonds. I got 2 container things of cream cheese. And then I found this cheddar style shredded cheese there as well, so I picked a bag. I'm going to be making crack chicken, and I need these 2 things. I got this wreath hanger. It's clear, so I didn't want anything that was too visible, so this was perfect. And then I also got this wreath wire thing to make my own wreath. And again, I have the ribbons and stuff already at home. So, I didn't say at home because I'm at my mother's house, but I bought the rest of the stuff in a previous Dollar Tree haul. But that's another DIY project that I am going to be posting in the near future. And then moving on to the Halloween decorations for that Halloween party. We got a pack of 12 latex balloons with a scary looking pumpkin. We also got these ghost gray black colored balloons. And I think I got 3 of these cool pumpkin candle things. So you just turn it on. Okay, this one has a thing in there. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how they light up. And there you go. These would be perfect for our decorations, and they change colors. So green, red. We only got 3 of those. Also got some napkins, 2 packs. There's 18 napkins in here. We got 2 packs. And then also some paper plates. Also 18 pieces in here. You got this beautiful, I love this one out of all of them. It's the pumpkin ones. Pumpkin and bats and spider webs. And then this one, like a haunted house. And then we got some fright tape. Red one, And then a black and red one as well. And 2 table covers. Also got this heat wrap. You never know, you might need one. And then we got some Brillo pads. And then this, you guys, I use these to clean my toilets. And I love these to clean your toilets. That was it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.